Another important solution is the Order Manager, which helps digitalize and automate the entire supply chain division starting from ordering to invoicing. It also helps you connect with traders across the globe. Order Manager is an important solution for sales, supply chain, and logistic teams. This solution connects the part manufacturers and traders across the globe by helping them establish a trade relationship. The Order Manager is a web-based B2B ID application which acts as an interface between the ERP system of component manufacturers and trader distributors and helps them enable order-to-invoice processing. It reduces the gap between the IT haves and the IT have-nots. It enables a trader to establish business relationships with component manufacturers and order parts directly, even without having ERP installed at his end. Even though he does not have an ERP at his end, through Order Manager, he can see the parts availability at the manufacturer's end, check stocks, prices, and place orders instantly. This increases the trust and transparency in the ecosystem. With this solution, the trader need not have to stock a much larger inventory, thereby reducing operational expenditure and having a positive cash flow. It also allows them to do more business with the part manufacturer. This solution will be of significant help to digitalize the supply chain solution in your organization and bring transparency in the entire life cycle, starting from inquiry to warranty and even returns. We would be glad to contact your supply chain team and help them have a clear understanding of this solution. The Order Manager is also available to access in the mobile app format. Now traders can order parts just by a click of the button in the app and go and ensure the product availability at the right time. The Order Manager is free of cost to traders. Currently, 35,000 traders and distributors are a part of Order Manager solution globally. When a part manufacturer decides to use Order Manager, he gets an opportunity to instantly connect with the user network and expand their reach globally.